Hello, good night. My name is Juliet Cano. Mm, Interesting. Task 4, oral production. Let's talk. Welcome to the majestic wonder of the world, Machu Picchu, a place where ancient history meets breathtaking beauty. Join me one this unforgettable journey as we explore the magic and mysteries of the extraordinary station. Step into the foot of the Inca civilization as we talk to, um, around the away inspiring ruins. Marvel at the incredible stonework, the terrace that is the scene to defy gravity and the scary templates that whisper stories of the past. For the adventurous soul embark on the legendary Inca trail. Shank yourself as you hike through the rich tanks in escapes dancing forests and reach the pinnacle of the Sun Gate where the first light of sunlight illuminate the ancient city. Immerse yourself in the vibrant culture of San Andres, of culture of the Andes. Explore the colorful markets where artisans proudly display their intricate textiles and handmade crafts. Indulge in the flowers of Peru, saborear traditional dishes like ceviche and lomo saltado. At Machu Picchu, we believe in responsive tourism and engage with the local community, learn about their customs and support their sustainability practice. Together we can preserve the natural beauty and cultural heritage of the extraordinary place. Machu Picchu is not just a destination, it's an unforgettable experience that will leave you in awe. Discover the ancient secrets, embrace the natural wonders, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Joe is on this remarkably journey, the Machu Picchu with the past and present blends seamlessly. Uh, Good night.